Well, here we are coming into Kansas City, Kansas, and that little boy right there in front of me pulled in right smack dab in front of me doing 70 miles an hour. And if I didn't have some space over there on the left side of that yellow line, it would have been a bad deal. Kansas City, Kansas. Headed east on I-70. This is my new iPhone 16 Pro. So I hope the videos are better. And I got to get over, so I think I'm going to speed up a little bit and see if I can get in. Because I got to get back on 70 East. T-Mobile Center. St. Louis. Boy, I was in North St. Louis one time. That is not where you want to be. That's a vicious place. That's where the animals live. All right, St. Louis, here we come. Brad Buckner headed for North Carolina. Gonna go back, cut some trees, haul debris, drop off a bunch of donations. Really good people that helped me out. Got a lot of good stuff. All right, we'll see you later.